the National Institute of Fashion Technology Shillong is hosting a 2-day Craft Bazaar at the NIFT campus at Umsawli in East Khasi Hills District. Inspired by Mahatma Gandhi's Swadeshi Movement, the event will showcase a diverse range of handloom and handicrafts from Northeast India through the 14 stalls that will be exhibiting and selling exquisite works of cane, bamboo, jewelry, handloom, weaving, embroidery, dry flowers, black pottery, textiles, and others made by 22 artisans and weavers from the states of Assam, Manipur, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and Meghalaya. The Director of Textiles and Handicrafts, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, Haj Dodung, who was the chief guest on the occasion, informed that he had recently submitted a proposal to have several activities between the state of Arunachal Pradesh and NIFT Shillong, since Arunachal Pradesh has more than 20 tribes who have their own designs and motifs, and NIFT is the only institution that can assist them by providing a market for their wares.
About today's program, actually, NIFT, we had also government of Arunachal also, we had tried to have one NIFT in our state, but it couldn't because to have this all this thing, definitely some political will is required. So when we couldn't establish the NIFT, then in higher and technology technical board, so I am a member on the board, members and technical higher technical education. So when we failing the establishment of the institute, then we have been asked to give some activity in collaboration of the NIFT or NID. So by that time, we had some activities, design workshops, other cane and bamboo, textiles, others, collaboration with the NID Ahmedabad. Then I went to Ahmedabad, of course, Mrs. was also along with me. So we had discussed plan and others, but that could not completed because of what's called COVID. So after COVID, some part we have completed, and this time, of course, I have submitted a proposal in the comprehensive action plan of the department in Arunachal government to have activities in collaboration with the NIFT Shillong. But if it is approved, it comes, I think we shall able to take some activities and we will have a chance to do some program with the NIFT Shillong.